Dude, let me know if it's afterwards or anything, okay?
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put these in the centrifuge. I think you guys both know how to do it already, but I'm just going to show her since she's here. Alright, so these are all pretty clotted. We're just going to use we're just going to use two because these other ones are kind of uneven. But if you were to, sorry, I'm going to switch over here. If you were to like have to even out a like a tube, you would use an empty one of the same exact, and then you would put the same amount of liquid in it, whether it be water or if I used that for this the last time, so you would even it out. So I'm not going to make a new one for this one. So because this one is even, we'll use that. So you got to make sure, oh, that one's not all the way clotted, but we'll use this one to hemolyze, so you know what a hemolyzation looks like. So when it fluffs up like that, that's most likely going to be hemolyzed. So we're going to put this one across from right here. So you put them across from each. Just putting stuff in there again. You'll put them across from each other, and that's what balances them. So these ones you put right across from each other too. And then you close, you lock it, press start, and that's it. And then you wait for it to stop and see how it's nice and smooth. If it was off balance, you would hear it go brrr, it would go all over the place, and then you would stop it, wait till it stops spinning, and then you figure out
How do you stop it?
Well,
Oh, it says
normally,
it says emergency stop.
okay, yeah, so then you would press this. Normally they have like a stop button. This is like an older model, so the new ones have like a stop button, like it's like start stop, and then once it stops, then you can pull them out. But other than that, you just let it go, and it's like about 10 or 15 minutes, and then that's it. And then we'll take a look and see how they turned out when it's done. So
You hear it if it's like,
yeah, it would be brrr, all over the place. So so then you're gonna draw on her, and then that'll be it. And